we already know how to catch errors using try and except. But to write truly professional and robust Python code, we use the else and finally blocks. Together, these tools help us handle successful paths and guarantee that our code cleans up after itself. Think of error handling like a restaurant visit. The else block is like enjoying your meal. It only happens if nothing goes wrong in the kitchen. The finally block is like paying the bill. You have to do it whether the service was perfect or a total disaster. This is the complete try, except, else, and finally structure in Python. If the try block succeeds without any errors, the else block runs immediately after. No matter what happens along the way, the finally block always executes at the very end. Let us look at a simple else block. Here, we successfully convert the string 10 to an integer. Because no value error was raised, Python bypasses the except block entirely and executes the else block, printing our success message. The finally block is guaranteed to run. Even though this try block explicitly raises a value error, Python still executes the cleanup print statement inside the finally block before letting the program halt. This is perfect for closing files or network connections. Now, let's see how they work together. We use the try block for risky code, except for handling failures, else for the successful outcome, and finally to ensure cleanup. This unified structure covers every possible path your program might take. Here is a critical tip: the finally block is incredibly persistent. Even if you place a return statement inside your try or except blocks, Python will pause execution to run the finally block first. Always use it for closing files or database connections to prevent memory leaks. If you anticipate that your successful logic in the else block might also fail, you can nest a new try except statement inside it. This keeps your error handling surgical, ensuring that an error in your cleanup or processing logic doesn't crash the entire application flow. To wrap up, use the else block to separate your happy path code. Use finally to guarantee that resources like files or database connections are always closed, and keep your try blocks as short as possible to make your error handling more predictable. Happy coding! End. Time for a quick check. Which of these blocks is designed to execute strictly when no exceptions are raised in the primary try block? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is C, the else block.